Hi everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to disassemble this LED light panel and I'll also explain how it works. So this is 11-inch 19.5 watt video light which has 192 LEDs and 2 built-in lithium batteries. On the right side we've got DC jack, on-off switch, brightness control, color temperature adjustment which ranges from 3200 to 5600 Kelvin. And we've got nice LED screen on the back. As you can see, the light panel provides soft, even light, without harsh shadows, and you can easily adjust the color temperature to match your main light source, whether it's daylight or artificial light. So let's take a look inside. First I'm gonna remove these 4 Phillips screws. Next we have to remove this frame using a thin prying tool. Insert the prying tool into the seam and gently pry the frame out of the case. So here we have a light diffuser which softens the light. What we have underneath is a light guide that directs light from 4H mounted LEDs. And here's white light reflective layer. And now we can see LED strips. We have 96 cold white and 96 warm white LEDs here. So basically you can change the color temperature by changing the ratio of the warm and cold LEDs. As you can see, the color temperature adjustment is not stepless. It has only 5 preset modes, and the maximum light output we get at 4200 Kelvin. At this point, all LEDs produce the same amount of light. Inside we have 2 PCBs, one for LCD and the batteries, and the second one is your dual-channel LED driver. And this part of the board is responsible for charging the batteries. Speaking of which, let's remove this cover and see what it hides. So here we have 2 lithium batteries connected in series, 3.7 volts for 1000 mAh each. And when the time comes, you can easily replace them. So let's remove the main board and see how the opposite side looks like. Well, nothing special here. Finally, let's check how much current this panel consumes. In order to measure the current, we need to connect multimeter leads in series with the circuit to be measured. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to desolder the positive wire coming from the battery. And now I can connect my multimeter. Okay, so we're all set up, let's turn on the panel. As you can see, the main board and the LCD draws 18 mA, which is okay. Let's crank it up to 50%. And we got 1.4 amps. And at the maximum light output we got 3 amps. That's a fair amount of current actually. With the maximum load the battery will last more than an hour, but definitely not an hour and a half as they claim. Anyways, it's nicely built LED panel which is very easy to use and it projects really nice bright light. I got them on the sides and the third one I usually mount above my camera. Thank you for watching.